So when I was going to college, I always had sort of the feeling that I wanted to someday own my own company. When I graduated college, I graduated MSOE, the Milwaukee School of Engineering, with a Bachelor's of Science degree in electrical engineering. I wanted to go back to business school, but the business schools that I wanted to go back to required me to have at least 3 years of experience before I went back to business school. So long story short is I basically took a job and started doing something similar to this at a small company here in Wisconsin. Basically put in my time, put in my 3 years. And I had a friend at the time that was actually going to law school at Stanford University. And I actually applied to Stanford University and was accepted, and decided that I was going to go to school there. I quit my job and I moved home with my parents, and basically I got called personally by one of the companies for the company that I was working for. One of their companies, a project that I was working on, called them up and asked if I would come back and complete that project because it wasn't going all that well. So I had nothing to do until I started school, so I agreed. And I went and completed that project for that customer. And in doing so, I made a commitment to them. It took me longer than actually when I needed to start school, so I had to take a deferment. So now I'm living at home with my parents, and I have nothing to do, and I got a year to burn. So I went out and found some more work to do, and I found some local work around here doing similar things. Eventually, I hired 3 people, and we were all working out of my parents' basement. Came time to go back to school the next year, and I decided, well, just give it a shot. So bought a building downtown Milwaukee, took those 3 people and added a few more, and started Midwest Engineered Systems. From there, that was in the early 90s. From there, we grew from that downtown location of like maybe 8 people to a West Dallas location of maybe 30 people. And from there, we grew to the Pewaukee location and to where we are now, which is about 150 people.